Is a home EV charger safe? Yes, when the charger has the right protection features and it is installed by a licensed electrician. A home EV charger is a high-power electrical device. A 7 kilowatt charger can draw around 32 amps continuously, so safety protection is not optional. The first protection is leakage protection. If the charger detects electrical leakage, it stops charging quickly to protect people and property. The second protection is overcurrent protection. If current rises above the safe limit, the charger can reduce output or stop charging before the cable or circuit overheats. The third protection is overtemperature protection. During long charging sessions, the charger monitors temperature and reduces power if the unit gets too hot. The fourth protection is earth detection. Before charging starts, the charger checks that the grounding system is correct. If the earth connection is not safe, charging should not continue. But the charger is only one part of the safety system. A licensed electrician must check the switchboard, cable size, circuit breaker, RCD protection, and local electrical requirements. That is why a safe home charging solution is not just about buying a charger. It is about choosing the right charger, installing it correctly, and making sure the whole home electrical system is protected. T-Power provides smart EV charging technology, built-in safety protection, and professional installation support for Australian homes.